Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. Today, I'm doing another Crockpot meal. This one's gonna be an actual whole entire pork roast that we're gonna pull apart later on. I know I did something like this similar, but that was with ribs. This is gonna be with an actual pork picnic. It's gonna be a 4.5 pound pork picnic, Boston butt, any kind of bone-in pork roast that you wanna do. This is a perfect recipe. Gonna turn the camera around, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start outside and I'm gonna be using the New Wave Precision 2 induction cooktop. Have my cast iron pan. There is the 4-pound bone-in pork roast. Here we have some apple cider vinegar, some chicken stock, salt, about half a cup of ketchup. Could be using the sushi spices. You can get this on, these are really good. You can get these right here on Amazon. Go check them out. And then also an onion, and it's going to be going into the Bella 6-quart crock pot with Crockpot liner. But I'm going to be assembling everything out here first. I'm going to put it in there, then I'm going to bring that and put it inside. And I forgot 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, so we're going to go with a medium high. So you click medium high, start. I don't know if you can see that. It says 375. Nope, you cannot. Gonna let this get heated up. Gonna season the pork over there and throw it in there. Alright, so I'm going to be using the sushi spices, sweet and spicy, smoky rub. I'm going to keep one dry hand and one wet hand. And yes, you're even going to do the fat side as well. All those bits are going to go down into the pan. Alright, that's ready. Alright, the pan is good and hot. Get this thing transferred over. Gonna cook here for about 15 minutes on all sides. Not 15 minutes per side, but 15 minutes all together. So for like 3 minutes, just keep turning it to all sides are brown. Alright, I forgot to put some canola oil down. It's first thing in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Sunday, 9 o'clock in the morning. Still kind of sleepy. There we go. Alright, now I'm ready. Alright, so while that's cooked, it's time to get the onion and garlic cut up as well. I'm going with 1 big white onion. And this is equivalent to about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Alright. Does that have to be really fine? Time to turn the pork. Like I said, 3 minutes on each side. Next scene is going to be, next time you see this, I'm going to be putting it into the crock pot. Okay, while still on medium high, now it's time to do the onions and the garlic. Okay, now it's time to add the chicken stock. This is approximately half a cup of chicken stock. Let's get those bits off the bottom, kind of clean it up. All right, I got a little better tool for the job here. Scrape all those bits off. Still on a medium high. Gonna do this for about 3 minutes. I tasted some of this when it was on the meat after it got browned. This stuff is super nice. It's really good. Get it on Amazon. In fact, I think I'll put it in my Amazon store if you guys want to get it. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put this on pause. I'm going to shut it off. Now it's time to add the ketchup. I'm going to go with a no sugar added ketchup. That's about half a cup right there. So that's what I'm going to go with. It's half a cup. And this is a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. That's a 1/4 cup. I measured it out. It's going to go in there too. Stir this all up. I'm going to put it back on a low. Add a little more of that spice to it. That's really good stuff. Add a little more of that to it. All right, so this is done. This is complete. Now it's time to add it over to the crock pot. All right, so I have it plugged in out here. I'm just gonna show this for demonstration purposes, but I'm gonna be moving this back into the house. So gonna come over here, gonna hit select at 4-hour high, 6-hour high. I'm gonna go with the 8-hour low. So right now it's about 9 a.m. in the morning, maybe a little after 9 a.m. This is gonna be ready for dinner time, and it's gonna be absolutely beautiful. And I'll see y'all in 8 hours. Oh yeah, I forgot to show something. I did add some pink Himalayan salt. This is the cracked stuff. I added that to the tomato, vinegar, chicken stock, garlic, and onion mixture. So crack yourself a little bit of this. I forgot to show that in the video. Okay, so it's been 8 hours. Let's take a look. Let's. Look at that thing. That is beautiful. All right, I'm gonna take it out and I'm put onto the chopping board. Now time to skim the fat. All right, let's give this bad boy a try. All right, so here's some of the meat with that sauce. Divine. Anyhow, I'll check y'all later. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.